All right, Governor Charlie Baker isn't commenting on the multiple state and federal investigations into the Holyoke Soldiers Home and that COVID-19 outbreak. In a radio interview today, he was asked directly when he knew and what he knew, but he didn't budge. So tonight, this follow-up on our ongoing 22 News I-Team investigation.
We had basically a whole team on the ground at 8 o'clock the following morning.
Governor Charlie Baker recounting his administration's response in the hours and days after the news broke that COVID-19 had taken hold at the Holyoke Soldiers Home.
The first I heard about it, obviously, was that phone call on Sunday night in late March, when the Lieutenant Governor, Secretary Sutters, and I were all on the phone together, and Alex Morse reached out to the Lieutenant Governor.
Baker being interviewed on Boston radio station WGBH News. Over the course of 2 months, 89 veterans would die, 74 of the dead testing positive for the virus. 84 employees would also test positive. The 22 News I-Team would capture this video of the National Guard setting up tents for triage and testing. I interviewed State Representative John Velas, who says at the very least we need to learn from this tragedy.
What steps do you take next? Who do you have to notify? Are we cohorting our patients appropriately?
Superintendent Bennett Walsh, who's on administrative leave, maintains that he was in constant contact with the state, updating the staff of Veteran Services, the Executive Office of Human Services, and the Department of Public Health.
I'm not going to speak to these issues until I see the report, because there's a lot of talk about who said what to who, and in the end, documents and emails and interviews will answer a lot of these questions.
And Governor Baker was asked twice during that interview if he had knowledge of what was happening at the Holyoke Soldiers Home, but he wouldn't directly answer, only saying that he was shocked by what Mayor Alex Morse had told them. It's worth noting again, Walsh has denied any wrongdoing. The Baker administration has hired an attorney to conduct an independent investigation. The 22 News I-Team filed Freedom of Information Act requests to the Departments of Public Health, Veteran Services, and to the Executive Office of Health and Human Services. All three agencies have denied our requests, citing active investigations.